got, boys? We got here. She's got here. She's here. She's here. She could use a little cleanup and some tightening up, you know. She got some loose fender brackets. Pipe bracket's a little loose. Go through that carburetor. She ain't wanting to idle. There's some sort of chain whip situation there. Yeah, get up in there, dudes. Up near Tulsa, Oklahoma, the guy delivered it to me. Let's see. That's the Dynaport 2-in-1. Single muffler back there. Got the Elka front shock, some kind of aftermarket adjustable A-arms. Stage 4 Trinity intake with the 2-in-1. Not sure on this top end. Wicked Motorsports head for sure. Not sure on the cylinders. Some old cheapy Nerf bars. Some graphics. Oh, I took her down the road. My hair's a little jacked. Guys, be sure and get up in there. Give me a like and subscribe. If you want to buy it, let me know. David's going to be here Wednesday or Thursday. Little Tri-Z Banshee action. We'll smash them up. See which one's gonna be quicker on the drag. This thing's fast, dudes. Look at how fast it is. I'll show you. That's how fast it is right there, boys. Just losing stuff off of it. Come on. That's how you know she's quick. Get up in there, dudes. Jump on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. Give me a follow. This is a 97 with Oklahoma title, guys. Get up in there, dudes. Appreciate it. Getting some of these trails cleaned up, boys, and I'm coming out here with the salt to make it a little more official.